Yesterday, you studied about the topic prepositions. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What did she tell you about prepositions? What did she teach you about it? Did you do the first exercise? Hello? Are you all sleeping? Why no one is answering? Did you all do the first exercise or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Did you solve the first exercise?
No, sir.
I am writing down the names. Those who are present and those who are not giving the answers. They all will be marked absent. All those who are
Sir,
not
I'm
giving
giving
answer.
answer.
So those who are not giving the answer, they will be marked absent. Right now, I am marking them absent over here in the sheet. See the prepositions which are given over here. In, above, between.
Yes, sir.
See how it is. In the car, above, and between, after, on, under, across, before, behind, next to, in the middle, among, near, in front of, around, at, away from, beside, beneath, out. See, with the image you will understand all the prepositions. Under means below something. This is over, in, on. See, what is the difference between over and on? Can you see the difference over and on? Do you understand the difference between over and on?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference? What is the difference? Tell me. Over and on. Hello, see, I will mark absent. I am letting you last time. No one is answering, so all will be marked absent. Okay? Okay, let me put absent mark.
Yes, sir. Hello, hello, hello.
Over
Hello,
and
sir.
on, what is the difference?
On means standing on an object. On an object.
Over and on का difference पूछा मैंने. Over and on. See the difference. What is the difference? You cannot see with your eyes and tell me. Hello. Are you all sleeping?
Yes,
Okay, then go to sleep. No problem. No need to study. Go to sleep, all of you.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, hello.
sir.
Yes, sir.
You understand with the image. If you want to understand, then you do it. Otherwise, no problem. I will just explain and I will solve the exercise for you. Because all of you want to go to sleep, then it is your wish. See, beside something, the object which is next to this tree, that is beside. Behind मतलब उसके पीछे. In उसके अंदर. On is above something. Under, see, below that thing. In front of मतलब उसके आगे. Out of, over, see the difference. Over means ऊपर, but थोड़ा डिस्टेंस है बर्ड के और एप्पल के बीच में, दैट इज ओवर. सो द फैन इज over your head. There is a distance between your head and fan, like that. So over. See, the examples are given. I found the pen on the table. Here
Yes, sir.
preposition on because it shows relationship between pen and table. Megan went to sleep late because it shows the state in which Megan is going, which state is going in sleeping, and that is the state. Megan went to sleep. That shows in which state. Is he conscious or unconscious, like that? That shows his state, mental state. I am watching cricket match in the bedroom. In because it shows the place where you are sitting. So in. In month or year we use in. In January, in 1985, in the morning, in the evening, in the first week, in the summer, in winter. So with the seasons we also use in 21st century, in future, in present, in past. With the date we use on Monday, on Tuesday, on 5th March, on 6th March, or on that day. So with the days we use on. Then time of clock. For that we use at. When you want to tell the time, you can use at 5 o'clock, at 7 o'clock, at 6 o'clock. Then for short and precise time, like at noon, at sunset, at the same time, at that moment. Okay, tell me the answers very fast. You have to choose one answer and tell me. Number one, what will be the answer? We enjoyed a lot. Dash summer.
In.
In. Okay, then number two, she received a lot of gifts. Dash her birthday.
In.
Wrong.
At.
At.
Wrong.
On.
It is given day. Birthday. So it is about a day. So you should know that. Where were you? Dash the lunchtime. Number three,
On.
on the lunchtime. What will be the answer?
At.
I will call you dash
On.
12 a.m.
On. At.
The president will deliver speech to public dash Independence Day.
On.
Now see the answers, all of you. In the summer, on her birthday, at the lunchtime, at 12 a.m., on Independence Day. When something is on the surface, something is kept on the surface of something, you can use on a table, on blackboard, on a page, on the wall, on the roof, on a map. कोई चीज किसी सरफेस के ऊपर रखी है तब ऑन यूज होता है. यू कैन यूज ऑन.
Yes, sir.
एट स्पेसिफिक प्लेस, एक फिक्स्ड जगह पे कोई चीज रखी है, एक फिक्स्ड जगह पे, दैट यू कैन यूज एट द एंट्रेंस, एट द बॉटम ऑफ द ग्लास, एट फ्रंट of the chair, at bus stop, or at the edge of the road. पे कोई चीज रखी हो तब, that time you can use at. Here, see lesson 9 prepositions. I think yesterday you had learnt about this, and also I think Ruby explained you about prepositions.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
this is lesson 9 of your grammar textbook. I hope you have solved warm-up exercise, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday she discussed the answers with you, right?
Yes.
First exercise, was it over? See, check that till the last sentence.
Sir, I don't know.
Then you said yes.
No, sir.
Okay, who else
Tomorrow
was there? Who else was there? Can you give me the answer fast? I hope Rubium has discussed this exercise with you, warm-up exercise. Yes or no? Those who are sleeping, will they get awake and give me the answers? Or only Nurani is studying over here, then I will teach him personally.
Yes, sir.
What yes, sir? What for what yes you are saying?
Warm-up exercise, sir.
Full?
Yes.
Okay. And all others were there yesterday? All others?
Sir, I don't know.
Sir, I won't know.
Mama, the basket.
Yasin, Musani, Mohammad Ali, Ganiani. You have all joined. I am marking you absent because you are there, but you are not there.
Sir, I was absent.
Rehan has said that yesterday this exercise was over. Right, Rehan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So he was present and the lecture was recorded also. So the link was also sent. Check that answers if you are absent. Understand that because ma'am has already solved this first exercise for you. She had discussed, and those who were present yesterday, they should know. But as I said, these 4 students are not at all giving the answers. I will have to talk to their parents. So, a preposition is a word or a group of words used before a noun. What is preposition? It is a one word or it is group of words which is used before the noun or pronoun to show the relation that noun or pronoun between that noun or pronoun with the rest of the sentence. तो वो noun या pronoun जो use हुआ है उसका पूरे sentence के साथ क्या relation है वो दिखाने के लिए हम preposition use करते हैं. Preposition is used before the noun or pronoun, and preposition will show the relationship between noun and the rest of the sentence. See, different types of prepositions are there. Two are there here, simple prepositions and compound prepositions. Remember, simple preposition means it consists only one word. In, at, on, for, only one word is there in simple preposition. But compound preposition means two words are connected Without. See, with, out. Two words are joined. Without. With, in. Within. Outside. Outside. Inside. Inside. So two words are joined together. Without, within, outside, inside. These are called compound prepositions. And when one word is used, it is called simple preposition. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see here what is given. The prepositions are being used with verbs. Such construction is called phrasal verb. When prepositions are used with verbs, it is called phrasal verb. See, set off, broke down, looking into, वर्किंग आउट. यहाँ पे दो वर्ड्स एक साथ यूज हुए हैं. सी, सेट ऑफ फॉर द बीच. वी सेट ऑफ फॉर द बीच. सेट ऑफ मीन्स व्हाट? वी स्टार्टेड गोइंग देयर. सो सेट एंड ऑफ verbs are used with preposition. See, off preposition है. Set is the verb, so set off. Broke down, broke is the verb, down is preposition. Looking into, looking is the verb, into is preposition. So when verb and preposition is joined, it is called phrasal verb. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now take the correct prepositions. Tell me the answers fast. Two are given. You have to select any one. The children meddled dash the teacher's things. Meddled means what? To to spoil, or without permission you touch the things. That is called meddled. So which is the answer that will be right over here?
Sir, medal and up.
Meddled is correct. You have to select from these two.
Up.
Up. Okay. See, I have marked that answer. I am marking the answer. Please mark the answer with me. Number two. The culprits tampered dash the files in the cupboard.
With.
Tampered means क्या? Change किया, छेड़खानी की. So that is tampered. So tampered dash the files, tampered with the files, or tampered in the files. What did you say?
With the file.
Okay. See, those who are giving answers, I will mark them present. Baki sab absent. Rehan is giving answer. Sometimes Arsh and Nurani are giving. Others I will mark absent. Remember that. We have to apologize dash the teacher for our mistake. Apologize to the teacher or apologize at the teacher.
Apologize to the teacher.
Okay. To the teacher. They must consult dash the lawyer. With the lawyer or to the lawyer?
To the lawyer.
With. For example, you consult the doctor. So you consult with the doctor. The director met up dash all the candidates. Met up with or met up at?
With.
With. See, I am marking the answers. Do it with me. The box is packed dash cups and saucers. With or up?
With.
Up.
The box is packed with cups and saucers. The policeman directed him dash move out.
To move out.
मतलब उसको डायरेक्शन दिखाई.
Yes, sir.
To move out. Some parents don't dash their children. Don't means to love their children so much that they ignore their mistakes. That is called doting. So some parents dote on their children or of their children.
On their children.
On the children.
Okay. On. Entry was denied dash many rebels. Rebels means opponents. Opponents were not allowed to enter. Denied to or denied of.
Denied to.
Denied to means they were not allowed. The poor children were derided by or of the rich. Derided means to laugh, to make fun of someone.
Laugh by.
Okay, by the rich. They were derided means they were made fun of by the rich. So did you mark all the answers? Or take
Yes,
screenshot
sir.
for 1 second. I will keep quickly. Done. Two options are given everywhere. You have to select one preposition. Done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm scrolling. So take below till J. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Now, number 3, exercise 3. Take the correct preposition for the nouns. Here, what was there? Take the correct prepositions for the verbs. Verbs were given over here. See. And in exercise number 3, take the correct prepositions for nouns. Nouns are given over here. Chalo, now do it. Children usually have an aversion dash lizards. Aversion means hate. You don't like lizards, right? We don't like lizards, mostly children. So, hatred, that is called hatred. Aversion to the lizards or for the lizards?
To. To the lizard.
Okay. What is the basis dash your choice? Basis for your choice or of your choice?
Of. Of.
Of your
Of.
choice.
You take screenshot, then I will change the page, then I will not show this page again. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1 second. Number 3, the students need information on Alfred the Great or of Alfred the Great.
On.
On. His impression dash elections is very pathetic. Very pathetic means very bad or very poor impression. Is impression on elections or is impression of elections?
Of elections.
My neighbor is descendant dash King Kataboman. Descendant means the child of the king, the child or the relative of the king is called the descendant.
By.
Of.
descendant of the king, means उसका relative है, उसका child of king Cataboman. That is the name of the king. The king's control dash his subjects did not dwindle. Dwindle means decrease, to decrease. So the king's control over his subjects or upon his subjects.
Upon.
Over his subjects. You should have control over your subjects. Next, the motive dash the double murder is past enmity. The motive means his intention that he did double murder was his past enmity. Enmity means his past hate. So what was the motive? The motive for or the motive of?
Motive for.
Okay. The teacher's knowledge dash the subject is praiseworthy. The teacher's knowledge of the subject or about the subject.
Above the subject.
About the thing. About. The heroine was no match dash to the hero. The heroine was no match to the hero or for the hero.
To the hero.
His limit dash criticism is not normal. Criticism means when you speak bad, when you criticize someone, means you feel that person, you make that person feel that he is very inferior to you. He cannot do anything. That is criticism. So his limit of the criticism or his limit to the criticism. His limit to the criticism.
Okay, sir.
Take screenshot first. Over. Done.
Done.
Take the correct prepositions for the adjectives. Now adjectives are given and you have to take the correct preposition. First we did verbs, then nouns, now adjectives. सबके साथ prepositions दिए हैं. Last exercise is this. Number one, the students are proficient means capable. The students are proficient in English or on English?
In English.
In. Okay, then these ladies are slow to grasp or in grasp the new concept.
To.
Two. We are short dash three hands to complete the work means we need three more people. We are short of three hands or we are short to three hands.
Of.
Short of means we need three more people. When you are short of something means you don't have that thing. The place is infested dash rats. Infested means crowded. Crowded with rats or crowded in rats.
With rats.
With. They were mistaken dash robbers. For robbers or by robbers means गलती हो गई उनको रॉबर समझ लिया. So mistaken. They were mistaken for robbers or by robbers.
For robber.
मतलब किसी और को रॉबर समझ लिया था, चोर, लाइक दैट.
What?
I am doubtful on my achievements or about my achievements.
About my achievements.
She has been disqualified from the competition or of the competition.
From the competition.
From the
The
competition.
plan is defective in many ways or on many ways.
In many ways.
I was
In any way.
disgusted. I was disgusted means I was unhappy with his hatred or in his hatred.
With
Coffee is preferable to tea or with tea. मतलब दोनों में से एक, कॉफी और टी.
two.
Coffee is preferable to tea means instead of tea I will take coffee. His mind is occupied in his problems or with his problems.
With.
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 And he is skillful in knitting or at knitting. Knitting, you know, when you are repairing something, when you are joining something, it is called knitting. Sivu. So in knitting or at knitting.
At.
At.
He is skillful at knitting. Knitting, as I said, joining something. Take screenshot fast.
Yes.
Done. Completed. Then
Yes,
take
sir.
it below. I have scrolled it. Take it. Over.
Sir, done.
Okay, please pass it on to your friends. Thank you.